All right, now I'm going to test how much my inlet going to my gas valve has pressure wise. Okay, this is the inlet, comes in from the gas. I'm going to shut this off, and then I'm going to take okay, you're going to loosen it up. Okay, then I'm going to take my tube. Okay, take my manometer. It says units. If you push this, it goes to different bar graph readings. So I want it on in H2O. That's what we're going to use. Turn this back on. Okay, we're at 7.5, which is perfectly in what we needed at. It needs to be a minimum of 4.5. On here, see, it raised 9.26, but I'm still under the maximum, so I'm fine.